Hello dear food enthusiasts, so it's snow day lot here. Here's what my balcony looks like right now, and in such weather, it's smart to give your immune system a bit more care than usual. A ginger-turmeric shot is an amazing vitamin and mineral powerhouse. It boosts the immune system and tastes great too. You can buy it, but it's not exactly cheap, so today we're just going to make it ourselves. We'll need oranges and lemons. You can adjust the quantity depending on whether you want it sweeter or more tangy. I suggest using agave syrup, it's optional. You can skip sweeteners or use rice or date syrup. It's completely your choice. We'll need linseed oil and pepper, or you may use chili or cayenne. Of course, the main stars ginger and turmeric roots can't be left out, since they play a vital role in making this healthy shot. As a last resort, you could use powder, but fresh and ideally organic is the best way to go. Using organic products has the great advantage that you don't even need to peel the ginger and turmeric. If you're not using organic ingredients, then proceed like this step by step. Portion the ginger into sizes that work for you. Then, instead of using a knife as you usually would, simply use a teaspoon. You will observe that the skin comes off with remarkable ease when you use this particular method. I learned this trick years ago from Jamie Oliver and have been doing it this way ever since. When working with turmeric root, I strongly recommend wearing gloves as the yellow stains are intense. I prefer organic, so I just cut the turmeric and ginger into chunks. Wear gloves as the yellow stains are extreme. I simply chop the fresh ginger and turmeric that is of organic quality. Now onto the oranges. We want to extract their juice. First, carefully have them, ideally using a sharp knife, and then squeeze out all the juice. You can do this manually or use an electric juicer. To get the fresh lemon juice, I use this traditional, lovely old lemon squeezer. Here are the proportions of agave syrup, lemon, and orange juice. However, all of the details can also be found in the info box. Now we need either a blender or a food processor, which we will now fill with the ginger and turmeric pieces. Of course, any stray pieces, just toss them back in quickly. Now let's pour in the fresh lemon juice, and then we add the orange juice. We add agave syrup, or as mentioned, an alternative sweetener. Just the oil now, 1 tablespoon of it. Don't forget the pepper, and feel free to be generous with it. And the secret ingredient, waiter. And that's all we need. Seal the appliance and allow it to do its wonderfully destructively constructive work. The longer you let it run, the smoother the result will be. You can also strain it through a sieve or a nut milk bag. But honestly, I don't think it's necessary. All we really need now are some small, perfectly clean bottles. Using a small funnel, carefully fill them up, then screw them tightly closed, and your deliciously healthy immune booster will be ready for you to enjoy. Make a small stock while you're at it, as they keep for about 14 days when chilled. A shot glass of it a day is all you need. I wish you lots of fun preparing it. Stay healthy and cheers. Until we meet again next time, bye bye.